Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to show a couple of snap-on tools here. I call these my impulse buys, probably. You know, we all got impulse buys, whether it's food or a car or anything in general. But these tools, can't wait to use, so I broke them out. I did a brake bleed earlier and didn't use this, but it came to me afterwards that I had it and I wanted to start using it, so I broke them out. They're still new. This one's the automatic refiller. There's the part number on that. If you'll focus, BB 500 2A. It's pretty nice. Comes with the instructions, but you guys seen one, you've seen them all. Fill it up with brake fluid, whether it's .3, .4, synthetic, whatever you're using. Throw it down in the master cylinder. And then you could use this one to actually bleed each caliper while the tank's on the master cylinder. This you just hook up to shop air. It's got a tank on there. The tank comes with a trigger. You pull the trigger, hook this up to the bleeder. Hook it up to there, pull the trigger, and it vacuums the brake fluid right out of there. But part number on that, BB 908. I'm gonna start using these. I broke them out. They seem pretty cool. Definitely seem like they're built well. And then another impulse buy, GearLock kit. I bought this in intentions to use it for timing jobs, but the couple that I tried using it on didn't really work out for me. I'm sure I'll find something for it. Definitely built well. And I don't know if you guys had this and use it. These are nice to hold the belt on the gears, but this is supposed to be for dual overhead gears, holding them together so they don't slip. Another impulse buy. Can't remember what I got it for. There's a part number on that. MLS 500 KT. Nice kit. But a couple new ones. Busted out of the vault, getting ready to use them. Here's a couple more oldies that I never really used. Most of these were kind of replacements or upgrades to the one I got. Heat gun. I still use one. The high setting doesn't work, but the low setting still works. So far I've been able to get by using just a low setting on my old one, but I got the snap-on one. Part number on this one, ET 1400. Seems like a really nice variable temperature heat gun. Comes with some of the nozzles and things like that, deflector. Get stickers off and stuff like that, heat up stickers. Then you got the soldering gun. I'm sure you guys seen this. It's got all the connectors and adapters. Part number on that, YAKS 32A. Seems like a nice kit. Butane. I think they got battery powered ones now for the 14.4 line. Some of these tools are outdated. I haven't even used them yet, but I'm kind of old school. I like some of the older tools. And then this was actually a replacement. I still have the other ones. One of them broke. I think the black one broke or bent just too many times for back probing wires. But this is a nice kit. MTTL 706. These are also some back probes you could put alligator clips on. Most of the time for leaving it on there. Use that with the scope. Instead of poking a hole in the wire, you just use these. MTTL 430. And then obviously temperature. This is definitely outdated. Most of the time use a thermal gun or maybe even predator vision. But that's cool for checking ACs, sticking it down into the vents, checking for ACs. Make sure it's blowing cold. But yeah guys, just a quick tool haul of a couple of my older tools that I bought on a whim, impulsively. and kind of broke out and getting ready to start using here. You guys got them and you use them, let me know how they are. Or maybe if you're thinking about getting them, I'll let you guys know after I run through these things. I think I got a brake flush coming in the next week. Maybe toss this bad boy on there and just flush them out manually, wheel by wheel. Definitely built well, but they work together. You get that one, you'll probably want to get that one too, unless you want to keep on refilling it and risk running it dry when you're doing a bleed or changing a caliper. Definitely nice. Got the rubberized on there. Feels like the 14.4 guns, battery powered guns. Alright guys, just a quick one. I'll put the part number to some of these in the description since the camera was blurry on a few of them, but let me know what you think. Comment if you got these, let me know how they worked out for you. Also, any tools that I got you guys seen in any of my videos you want to know about or do a review on, shoot me a comment, let me know. As always, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We'll catch you in the next one.